So basically, me and my mate James are heading down to Newquay. We haven't booked anywhere, we ain't got any campsites or anything lined up because everywhere I was checking is completely like fully booked. So we're just going down there, we're going to wing it, just see where we can stay, may do a little bit of wild camping. James ain't got the luxury of staying in my van though. I've taken him to Argos and made sure he's got himself a nice tent, himself a nice trespass pop-up tent. So we'll get that in the video when we get that set up later on. Van is like pretty much fully loaded. Doesn't really look it, but it is. Fridge is nice and full. Got all the bedding and stuff set up. So I've just pulled over. We've just gone past Salisbury. Probably got about 3 more hours until we get down to Newquay. The idea is obviously get to a campsite or some sort of place where we can get the awning out, get the tent set up, get the chairs out, have a few beers, check the beach out over the weekend. Obviously this ain't the sort of usual video I do on my channel, but I just thought I'd do something different for a change. So yeah. Healthy fridge going on there, look. Kronenbergs, Pepsis. Here you go, James. Yeah, yogurts, orange juice, bit of spinach, bananas. Here we've got some garlic there. Got everything going on. Stopped here for a toilet break. It's actually a pretty nice area. If all this was out the way and this fence, gate, whatever, I'd actually bring the van on there. There's a river just over there, it looks lovely. Wouldn't mind bringing it over here, but don't think it'd be fair on the owners, would it? I think the pubs are all boarded up now. The Swan, 2 left. Don't look like much is happening there. And also we've been waving at all the other Volkswagen campers. We've had so many wave back. We'll try and get that on the video as well if I can. 172 miles, 3 hours left. If we can beat the time ETA. I know. Oh. First wave. We're going to do a wave. Go on. Oh, this one. Another one's nice.
What's the taste be the best?
I couldn't see that. Getting a wave anyway.
Camera.
That's a right one. Right, we've got another wave coming up. Is this a... Oh, he swerved it.
Swerve up.
Hey. Right, old T4, give him a wave. Pulled over for a bit of grub. Roadside meals. Run out of mayo though, there's no garlic mayo left. It's pretty much done. So hungry. We've got spicy potato which I cooked this morning, bit of tuna, bit of olives, spinach, some mature cheddar, bit of butter in there, lovely.
Yeah, 150.
Long journey. And this table's so handy, look. Swings right out.
Swinger.
It's a bit of a swinger, look. Right, that's all been polished off. Time to pack away now. Get back on the road. I'm still hungry, so tonight I think I'm going to cook a curry because that's one of my favourite meals. And I'll show you how to do that if you're interested. Little idea I come up with. Bungee strap, look, strapped around the bottom of the rock and roll bed frame. These are my camping chairs. Straight across onto the seat belt. Just so when you open your tailgate, they don't come jumping out at you. The old plain naans, look, pop films. All the healthy clobber in there, look. Yeah, look, the old blue T5. Oh, looking sweet. Another grey one over there, look. Look, we found somewhere. The leans, £13 a night. It's going to do us just for tonight because It's just easier than trying to find a parking space.
Is that what it's on about hard stands?
The hard stand to be.
There's the tap there for drinking water and that there, so...
Alright.
Mate, honestly, perfect.
Alright.
Alright, should we spray you up now? Yeah, that's alright.
How much is it?
13.
I'm not got any change, mate. Do you want to take 15 anyway? That's cool.
He said he likes my wheels, but he don't realise they're going to ruin his lovely grass. I think here will do.
Yeah, mate,
That's quite cool, isn't it?
mate, it's funny when he said when you rang him, he was like, yeah, just anywhere on the left, mate. Yeah.
Right, she's sweet. James just put his level eyes on him. Ex-bricklayer over there. I think it's straight. Yeah. Alright, it's dropped. It's so cold here now. I thought I was coming on a summer holiday, but it's literally freezing. Probably like 18, 17 degrees. Cold summer. Where are you putting your tent, James?
We're going to do a review on the trespass. This is the pop-up tent. 30 quid from Asda. Oh, good, mate.
He's gonna show you how it pops up.
Mum works at Sainsbury's.
He'll show you how it pops up, but I can guarantee you won't be able to put it back together again after. There's no way you'll be able to fold that, mate.
This is getting packed. Trespass. Comes with a nice little carry bag. It's perfect.
We look like we're trespassing here. Look how antisocial the parking is.
Got the washing up.
That guy's going to regret he even let us in.
I'm out popping the tent. I'll be hidden. I don't want to be on show, mate.
Oh dear. This is going to be a laugh. What'd you say?
It ain't a tent, it's a tunnel. Only some tunnels you see when you're younger. Dog training.
Pop-up tents.
Comes with the
Do you know what though?
Waterproof bag.
You know what you could have done? I'm just changing my shoes. That's why the camera's getting a bit wonky. But you know, you know what you could have done?
Right, are we popping it or what?
Yeah, go on. Here we go. Trespass. Is it a two-man tent?
It says two. Mate, that's sweet. Look at that guy.
Oh, yeah, that's alright. Someone will nick that in the night. You'll be going with it. End up in someone's boot.
Windy, though. Mate, that's sweet as. Mate, that'd be easy, by the way.
I don't think though.
Wait, can we?
I don't think the blow up bed will get in there.
Shut up.
I swear it's double.
Yeah, go in there, mate.
You reckon?
It better.
You sure?
It's getting in. I will.
You will not get that back.
I will, mate.
That's not back. No, you'll rip it. You'll rip it. There's no. Mate, that's not gone back. That ain't the right way, surely. I'm telling you. I'd be more inclined just to get that peg down for tonight. Just be on the safe side.
Mate, that's honking. What's happened? Oh, it's upside down.
Right, let's go and get you a bed. Turn some lighting on.
Mate, I want to be flat. What's going to my box?
Getting levelled up. Right, chuck that in there. Go on, unravel that. Make sure though the peg. Oh, there's no way that's gonna fit. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, boy. At the time you pump that.
Okay, mate. Let's get some pump. Stick your pump in.
Is that the right way? Right.
Well, I don't know.
Let's get the pump. A bit of light out there. Right. You got mozzies in there?
Mate, there's a mozzie gone in already.
I can't do mozzies. James, hold that for a sec. It's recording now. So what we're going to do, peeps,
Pump my bed up.
we're going to pump his bed up. So what I've done, I've plugged it in to... Who's put a cable tie on this? That's OCD. Even I don't do that. Mate, so someone's actually put a cable tie on there. So what we're going to do, I've plugged this extension lead into my inverter because we don't have any hook up here. It's just a grass pitch. So I'm going to plug it in to there, get his bed pumped up because we know this ain't going to fit.
Do you not think it will?
Actually, it might be
No,
alright.
sweet. Wait, mate, that's a trespass bed and all.
Oh, here we go. We've got all the trespass attire. Right, let's have a go. Where's the...
No, this isn't a Hoover.
So this is James's setup, look.
Definitely gonna close.
Giving him one of my IKEA lights. Leave that on and keep the mozzies out. Don't know what that's going to do, mate. If we get a gust of wind, we'll be getting blown over the cliff tops. Alright, before we go any further, I'm going to get a beer out. So I've just pushed the light, it literally just slides on the top of this up here. One big LED strip, and then I've got the plug that comes with it. It's so dark, I might have to just do the walkthrough on this at night, in the daytime.
That's right, mate, you can see it.
Can you? And then should tighten up these waterproof connectors. What you could do, just as a thing, just strap this up behind there, just so it's not in the way.
Open the window a little bit and pop it through.
Well, I'm going to do that, yeah, I'll probably do that, but what I'm going to do first is, because that lead needs to go onto the remote. Oh.
Don't get wet either.
Yeah, don't get them wet either. And then can't see the connectors now. Oh, there you go. So if I go on there like that, just plug that in. That's another connector done. Just keep dropping that. So that's your remote, and then here is the power supply. It's plugged in there. Now we'll plug this in. To my. Right, let's press the switch. Oh!
I don't need the light on here anymore.
That is class. Just turned it on.
Now right on the floor.
Yeah, it'll be alright. And then on here, look, it's just plugged in, 12 volt. You can then change the colour as well. I think that keeps the bugs out, keeps them away. That looks really good. Time for a beer, look. First one in a long time. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, mate.
Bosh. Too late to be. Right, look at this thing here. Where do these big, like, moth things come from? Literally. It's too late to be having a curry cooking, so what I'm doing, boiling up some water, or water, should one say, and I'm going to have a chilly, sober cup of noodles, and then also, oh, James, what are you having, James? Yakitori chicken. But what we're going to do is have a nice breakfast tomorrow, because it's late. I don't want to wake everyone up outside. Very considerate. Look at that.